Just looking at this judge proof, it's an adjective of a legal instrument so well drafted that even the most willful judge cannot conceivably misinterpret the words, impervious to judicial reading. Pow, pow, pow. You know, this judge proof, that it's impervious, to judicial misreading. I told you about those employees of the state that they look at the RCWs, they form like a board or something, and they go through every word of every one of these court forms. Yes. They design the court forms so they are judge proof, as in impervious of just judicial misreading. It's a legal instrument known as a court order, that was so well drafted that they use italics. They use bold print. Yes, they do. They tell you what page to look on. That even the most willful judge cannot conceivably misinterpret the words. See this judge proofing of court documents? They realize that there's more than one judge in the state of Washington and every state of the United States. These administrative employees of the Supreme Court system of the state of Washington. Yes. And they do this bold of words, yes, and they put this in italics, yes, so as to make sure that the form itself is judge proof. There is no possibility, you cannot conceivably misinterpret the fucking words. Now let's say that I can prove that you as a judiciary, decided that you were going into intentionally, conceivably misinterpret the words, and you decided as judges that you would misread the actual court forms of the state of Washington. Yes, because you make up bullshit about how you're going to review a motion, and you're going to require mental health evaluation and treatment if recommended. Now, these forms, yes, the RCW 9.41.800, yes, they put presented by protected person date, yes, restrained person date. I acknowledge receipt of a copy of this order, yes, yes, yes. Now, if I had gotten notice of the court hearing, I might have went to the court hearing and then I would have signed the court order. You will notice that of the court orders that this county has issued, I have never been able to sign the court order as the respondent or the restrained. You have never given me the opportunity to sign the fucking court order. You never have. You named me as a respondent, yes. But you never gave me notice of court hearings. Ouch, ouch, ouch. You named me as the restrained person, ouch. But you never gave me notice of court hearings. Ouch. You named me as the respondent to a dissolution of marriage. But you never gave me notice of court hearings. Now, they judge proof these forms so that those judges that can willfully cause misconduct, negligence, and damage to American citizens, that as a state they could say, well, we designed it so that there wouldn't be a state in this state or any state where it was not judge proof, as in so well drafted. I know you just think they print these things up and one day they just make a few changes to them, but the truth of the matter is they go through it. Now I'm going to sue this county, yes, every county of the United States, and the United States federal government for thinking that these legal instruments known as court forms, yes, 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 didn't go through multiple draftings, yes, 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 so that even the most willful judge that wants to violate the laws could not conceivably misinterpret the words. Now, you have proven that these are not judge-proof forms. And you're fucking.